Hey guys, I'm Chris and I'm one of the founders of Koio. Today I want to give you an inside look into our main factory in Italy. We've been working with them for the last 5 years now when we first started the brand. At the time, we went on a road trip to Italy with the goal of finding the best sneaker manufacturer in the world. But quite honestly, the beginning of our journey was pretty disappointing. The factories that we looked at were all lacking behind in terms of product quality and most importantly in terms of working conditions. We had no other choice but to keep searching, so we went on and searched, and ultimately we found this gem located very close to Le Marche. Right from the get-go we could tell that things were different here. The level of attention to detail that was going into the shoes was unparalleled and unlike anything we had seen before in our trip. At the same time, the workers there seemed to be genuinely enjoying making the shoes and being there. They were being paid a competitive wage, had fair working hours, and were working together as a team, so it created a really good atmosphere. We knew we had found our dream manufacturer. I hope you guys enjoy wearing our shoes just as much as we like designing and crafting them. See you soon.